Hold up.
Hello friends, and how are we? And in this video, I'll be sharing some of the points that you should keep in mind before starting your weight loss plan. Well, if you start searching for ways and methods to reduce weight, you would be overwhelmed by the information that is available on internet and various magazines. You may find it difficult to separate out the useful information from the rest. You'll definitely come across a lot of information that is very tempting and would rather damage your body in the longer run. Some of the points to keep in mind before you embark on your journey of weight loss are as follows. Calculate your BMR. BMR stands for basal metabolic rate. In simple words, it means the amount of energy that you would be spending in one day if you didn't do anything, like completely nothing, just lying on your bed. There are a lot of functions that our body perform even when we are lying on a bed. Our body maintains a body temperature, our digestive system is working, we are breathing, and a whole lot of other stuff is going on inside our body. To perform all these tasks, some amount of energy is required. And the energy required for doing all these tasks in one day is known as basal metabolic rate. To calculate BMR, you just have to go on internet and type BMR calculator. You will get a lot of results in your search engine. You can use any one of them to calculate your BMR. BMR only depends on your height, weight, and sex. After calculating your BMR, you should go one step ahead and calculate your daily calorie requirement. This is easily calculated by multiplying BMR with a factor which depends on how you spend your days. Are you a desk worker? Do you play any game, etc.? Once you have calculated your daily calorie requirement, you can move on to the next step. Know your calories. Calorie is defined as the amount of heat required at a pressure of 1 atmosphere to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. In simple words, we already know that there are some food that are calorie dense and there are some food which have less amount of calories. This means if I somehow burn calorie dense foods such as burger, it will give me more heat as compared to other foods of same weight which are not so calorie dense, for example most of the vegetables. You can get the calorie value of all the foods on internet very easily. Creating a calorie deficit. Now you know what is your daily calorie requirement and you can calculate how much calories you are eating in a day. Well, broadly speaking, if you are somehow able to keep your calorie intake less than the daily calorie requirement, you will lose weight. There is no doubt about it. Even if you eat junk food and still you are able to keep your calorie intake below daily calorie requirement, you will lose weight. But is this method and other diet plans like GM diet etc. that promise wonders the best way to lose weight? Well, according to me, the answer is a big no. Following these diets, you will be able to lose weight, but you will be inviting various other problems that you might not have even thought of. These will be caused due to deficiency of nutrients like vitamins and minerals. This is the main reason why these diets work initially, and after a while people start suffering from various diseases if they continue to follow it for a long time. They are called diet for a reason. This is because they are extreme and have got a deadline. Here are some of the tips from my side to help you in making a plan for yourself in losing weight. Don't cut down on your calories drastically. I would recommend when you are starting off, you should make a calorie deficiency of around 200 to 300 calories. And then you can move on to increasing it further till a maximum of 500 calorie deficit. Don't try to make up all the calorie deficit entirely from your food. You can burn a lot of calories by doing aerobic exercises like playing games or running. If you are able to implement only this point correctly, then you will avoid feeling mentally and physically tired all the time that most of the people feel when they are losing weight. Instead of doing a lot of aerobic exercises like running on treadmill, you should also include weight training in your workout program. Consider it something like this. Aerobic exercises mostly focus on your lungs and heart, but it will not build your muscles. It simply means that if earlier you were a big potato, after doing a lot of cardio, you will become a smaller potato, but you will remain a potato. To give shape to your body, you have to include weight training, which will build muscle. By doing weight training, you will put on muscle, which will eventually increase your BMR. This simply means that you will be burning more calories even while resting if you have more muscle mass. And finally, you should change your mindset. Instead of following diets which come and go out of fashion within years, you should think about nutrition and making your daily food more tasty and healthy, to which you can stick for a lifetime. You can eat cheat meals sometime in moderation, but you should not treat yourself like a dog and use food as reward. You should not think about exercising as a way of punishing your body, but you should find ways to make exercise fun and interesting, like learning new games and socializing in the playground. That was all for today, guys. Thank you and bye bye.